about it, and they are kicked about the idea that we come and listen and discuss and help each other, so which is actually fantastic.
Kannada film industry faced a major jolt with the sudden demise of superstar Puneeth Rajkumar. Reportedly, the actor passed away after suffering a sudden heart attack. He was just 46. Puneeth was one of the rare singer-actors of his generation, following in the footsteps of his father Dr. Rajkumar. The actor, known for his smile, was one of the kindest stars in the South Indian film industry. He was also one of the fittest celebs in the industry, and therefore his death has come as a shock, highlighting the fact that being fit and being healthy are two different things. He had been working on a few important projects, the future of which lie in limbo after his sudden and untimely death. The news came as a shock not just to the fraternity but to millions of fans Puneeth had around the world. Many celebs paid their condolences, remembering the actor.
Puneeth passed away, and nenu tanani just.
Many celebrities reacted on the actor's demise on the internet, which included PM Modi, Mahesh Babu, Pooja Hegde, Sonu Sood, and many more. Mourning his untimely demise, Bollywood actor Sonu Sood tweeted, "Heartbroken, will always miss you, my brother." Chiranjeevi tweeted that the news is shocking and heartbreaking. The mega star further paid his condolences to the bereaved family. He also wrote, "Shocking, devastating, and heartbreaking. Puneeth Rajkumar gone too soon. Rest in peace. My deepest sympathies and tearful condolences to the family. A huge loss to the Kannada Indian film fraternity as a whole. Strength to all to cope up with this tragic loss." Mahesh Babu shared a good rapport with the late actor, and their friendship became stronger when Puneeth remade Dukadu in Kannada. Mahesh wrote that Puneeth was one of the most humble people he ever interacted. South and now pan-India actress Pooja Hegde also reacted on the actor's demise and tweeted, "Cannot believe what I'm hearing. Life is so unpredictable. Such a big loss for Indian cinema. Sending out lots of love and light to his family and loved ones in these difficult times. Rest in peace, Puneeth Rajkumar." Actress Hansika Motwani made her Kannada debut opposite the superstar in the 2008 hit film Bindaas. Talking to News18.com after the news of his demise, she said, "I remember I was really nervous as Bindaas was my first Kannada film. But Puneeth sir made sure that I was comfortable. I had a great experience working with him. I was just 19 and he was a superstar back then too. But he was really welcoming. He was really generous and was always passionate about his work." And she also tweeted, "I just can't process this. Such a passionate, warm, and humble human being. This is so tragic. Deepest condolence to his family. May his soul rest in peace." Paying tribute to Puneeth Rajkumar, PM Modi said on Friday that the coming generations will remember him fondly for his works and wonderful personality. PM Modi tweeted, "A cruel twist of fate has snatched away from us a prolific and talented actor Puneeth Rajkumar. This was no age to go. The coming generations will remember him fondly for his works and wonderful personality. Condolences to his family and admirers. Om Shanti." Multi-talented and popular actor Kamal Haasan also reacted to Puneeth Rajkumar's demise and wrote, "The demise of my dear younger brother Puneeth Rajkumar was most unexpected. We were mutually very fond of each other. My deepest sympathy to his family and his fans in Karnataka." As per the buzz, a Kollywood actor has come forward to carry on Puneeth's charity works. It is learned that Tamil actor Vishal has promised to take care of 1800 students who are getting free educational support from Puneeth Rajkumar. And he also tweeted about the actor's demise and wrote, "I just can't believe that my good friend Puneeth Rajkumar has passed away and is no more. May his soul rest in peace. My deepest condolences. May his family stay strong at these testing times. It's a big loss for the Karnataka movie industry and a big loss for me as dear friend." Virendra Sehwag joined the tributes pouring in for the late actor and wrote, "Saddened to hear about the passing away of Puneeth Rajkumar. Warm and humble, his passing away is a great blow to the Indian cinema. May his soul attain Sadgati. Om Shanti." Actress Tamanna Bhatia too offered her condolences and tweeted, "Shocked, saddened, and in loss of words." The actor was last seen in the film Yuvaratna, which was directed by Santosh Anandram. And we still can't believe that he is no more. May his soul rest in peace.